Hey, what's up everybody? Paul here, Left Coast Small Car Builds. Happy Thursday. Hope your week's been good. Here we are. We got a very cool Johan 60 Desoto. We got our hot rods illustrated this week. So really cool stuff. So Johan kits, we've talked about them before. I don't have a ton of these, but have some really cool ones. And a 60 Desoto, man, right up there with an absolutely stunning vehicle. So really clean chrome on this. Very fortunate. Just really nice overall. When you look at these, I mean, I just absolutely love these body styles. This is a really clean kit overall. A lot of flash, but that's fine. So I'm not gonna. Glass is in good shape. As you can see here, a little bit of polishing, but nothing too major. But man, these are really close. Actually, ladies, my buddy's got a Desoto. It may be a 60, but really cool. I'm gonna put a picture up at the end, so check it out. Be a little video there on it, but so much you can do with these. And right out the gate, you know, just lowering it to me with some white walls really make it very nice. But there's our backings, firewall, battery, valve covers, nice hood. We got our, pretty much call it like a one-piece chassis, you know, nothing fancy. We got our interior tub, which actually has some really nice detail to it. This will detail up nicely. We got our engine, our dash, which has some really nice detail to it. And then our white walls, our tail lights, the instructions, and you know, USA oldies, extremely basic. You can kind of see here. And they show you here, and you're done. So with something like this, I'm not going to pull all this miscellaneous stuff out in here, but sorry, it's allergies are just killing me. So, you know, I look at this, and like I said, I'm going to put a video up of my buddies full scale. But there's so much you can do with these and really make them neat, or really just clean it up, put a nice paint job, build it as what you got here, and you have a really nice kit. These are ones definitely wouldn't mind picking up another. There's some Johan stuff I've been keeping an eye out for. It's just, you know, really fun stuff you don't really see. And that's the beauty of these Throwback Thursdays. You know, some of the kits you definitely see, you know, there's re-released newer molds, but it's really cool to have the nostalgic stuff, you know, and not have to go crazy with the detail, just be able to look at it and have some really cool ideas. You know, it's really fun, especially though some of this stuff that, I mean, for the most part, I mean, it's just not coming back, you know, so it makes it fun. You know, everything just right off the bat kind of falls into place. Really cool. You can kind of see here. You know, and then for me, you guys know my style. You get the nice white wall and chrome wheel tucked in there, and you got a good looking ride. So definitely will be a fun one. These are those kits you just kind of take your time, really clean everything up, get everything to sit really nice, and you got a nice shelf model. So that's our Desoto We've got some cool stuff planned out for at least the next Thursday. And as I mentioned, Throwback Tuesdays, we're probably going to be doing something a little different, and unless I find the other resin stuff. But got some cool throwback stuff coming out. Got some stuff with some old a la cartes and a few other things. So that'll be next week or the following. But we're going to go ahead and jump into our Hot Rods Illustrated. Great magazine, some really cool old school hot rods in there. So give me a second and we'll switch over to that. All right, everybody, here we are. Flipping it a little bit here. We're going with the Hot Rods Illustrated, issue 3. Someone was asking me something about this and couldn't remember if we've looked at this or not, but if so, it's been a while. So I thought, why not? We'll take a quick peek. And always fun to go through and look at these Hot Rods Illustrated. I believe there were, I think, a total of like 4 that were done. So really cool stuff, just like the Customs Illustrated. Some really cool roadsters, you know, old school classics here. Really like that. Try to adjust the light so we can see but not have all that glare. But see here, really clean, really neat. Be really cool. Build a similar model to something like that would be fun. Kansas hot rods, very cool. Love that right there. Oh, beautiful. Got 37 Ford. Looks like you get candy gold, candy green, flames. Really nice. And very cool here, the Outlaw. Love that right there. Very cool. Scrapbook Part 1. Really cool, get these old vintage pictures right here. Kind of just fall right into that old nostalgic history. Really cool. Let's see what we got there. Very nice. Yeah, like I say, these are great magazines here. That's pretty cool. Hot Rod Reunion, Bakersfield. That's a fun show right there. Up into that. See some really cool stuff out there at the strip. Really cool. Excuse me, their allergies are just very tough to get rid of. That's cool. Work of art. That's clean. Very nice. Look how clean that is in there. Very, very cool. Nothing like a clean hot rod. Oh, very nice. Little tank up front. Very cool classic pickup there, alright. Very neat. Got the steelies. West Coast Primer Nationals. Very neat. Really cool stuff. I mean, very neat. Kind of just old school nostalgic stuff. Always fun to see. Where are those bandit gals? Very cool. A little bit of Roth stuff. Talking about the girls there. Fun little read. Anything with Ed Roth is fun. Alright. So that gets us to the end of our Hot Rods Illustrated and the end of Throwback Thursday. So hope everybody's enjoying the week. Appreciate the subs, likes, follow, shares. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the week. And we'll catch you later. Take care, everybody.
These guys, if they want, they